Oh, fuck. Okay. Testing out a new playlist. Looks pretty good so far, so I'm gonna leave it. Okay. Um, where did I leave? Where did I left? I don't even remember. No, I don't want to do quests now. So what have I got? Okay. Mm, I think this is wrong. Is it? Yes. It should be -1. Um, increase the font size for you guys. Let's see if that's better. I think this one is wrong too. God damn it. Okay. No worries. Well, you know what? Dest. So we don't have a destiny, and or we don't have a source, or no bytes. Uh, if we don't have any bytes to copy, then do nothing. Then we can get rid of this. Awesome, and then we can do this, but we don't have to yes, so we have to go to the previous one and set that up. And I think we got the same problem here. So if we don't have a destination, or we don't have a source, or we don't have any bytes to pass, return. And then we can get rid of this, and then we can add the null terminator in here. There we go. This one looks like garbage. There we go. Do we? Wow. Alright, let's make sure I didn't break anything. How did I? Was okay. And now, it's been a long time since I caught on this project. Bill? Yeah. Login server. There we go. And okay, hopefully that should work. Hello guys, how's everyone doing? Today, I think I want to implement the HTML buttons from the dialogues, from the NPC dialogues. So just a heads up. Let's see, alright, seems to be working. What about, do I have the database? I think I do. Yes, I do, nice. Okay, so I think I saw the first issue. What's the problem? Okay, I think I don't have to do anything in here. Or do I? Crap, I'm seeing a lot of small little issues. So a couple of days ago, I've been working on I don't know, kind of like it's not even a project. I just started coding a few things, and then all of the sudden I was writing a socket implementation like for the fourth time so far, and then I wrote a utils file, and to be honest, I kind of liked it, especially because it gets rid of these overflow cases. So in this case, for instance, we don't know the size of the source. We only know how many bytes do we want to pass from here to here. And that's all in all good, but if the destination isn't long enough, or if the source, I mean, let's take a look at this. Yeah, so in here, for instance, we're copying the bytes from the source to the destination. We're copying n bytes, or until the null terminator, right? But the thing is, what if we copy beyond the size of this buffer, right? Because when we use this in the n size, we usually pass the size of this buffer, but we don't pass the size of this one. So let's say we got n equals 10, and we don't have a proper null terminator in the source. We will get an overflow here. So we will need to pass both the size of the destination buffer and the size of the source. But that's okay. I think I'm gonna copy some of the files. I'm gonna copy some of the changes that I got in the new files into this, and hopefully that should be better. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and fix the problem that I had, which is kind of weird now that I think. Actually, let me go ahead and check how am I using this. Yeah, see, on every case we pass the size of the destination buffer, but we forget about the source buffer. Alright, for the time being that's fine, I guess. What about the character creation? I wanna see what happened there. What is this? Selected. Where is it? Goddammit. Handle inner world. No. Out login. Nope. Selected character. Nope. Maybe it's the other function. This one. AI from request. There we go. I think that's the one. Yeah. This one. Okay. So we're copying whatever we got from here to this. That's fine. Show me where are we using that one. Alright. Show me this one. Okay, so when we copy this, I think I'm gonna do the same here. If you don't have a destination or source or bytes to copy, don't do anything. Then we can get rid of this. And then I'm gonna say destination -1. Make sure we do have a null terminator. And hopefully that should do the trick. Copy, okay, that's fine. Alright. And then Well, this should be -2. Yeah, let's do it properly. Like so. There we go. And then destination. Okay, this one is fine. Yes. And then what do we got here? From char. Source, dest. Okay, I think we gotta do the same here. Yeah, there we go. And I think that's it. Alright. Let's go ahead and create a new one. Something. Whoa. What the? Alright. You know what? Maybe. Just maybe. I'm gonna revert the changes. I don't think that broke the strings, but yeah. So something is messing up with the. Do I wanna fix this now? I mean, nah. Let's go with the HTML first, and then. All right. At least the what is it called? The NPCs names are correct. So yeah, let's go ahead and implement links in the chat. So how the fuck am I going to do that? Where did I have the HTML? So and so. Alright. So a few days ago, I saw an article on, was it on Max Cheaters or Rage Zone? What is it called? Bypass. Okay, I think this is the one. And the dogs. Let's see. Nice. Yes, nice. This is the one that I was looking for. Alright. So let's go ahead and try to change this. Let's add this bad boy right here. Let's escape that, and we don't support this yet, so I'm gonna replace that with 42. And let's go ahead and see what happens. Rebuild. And close this one. And do I have... I want to make sure I got the to-do message in case I don't handle a specific packet. Is it here? Yes. In world, and then this one. Crap. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this. Enable to handle packet. Okay. Well. Did I build this? One more time. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so we got a link. What happens if I click it? Do I get packet? Unable to handle packet. Nice, dude. Alright. So we are getting something. Now, what I have to do is check on the packet type. Show me. Okay. Alright. I want to see the packet type though. Alright. Print F. Yeah. Alright. So I want to see the packet type. And I always forget how the fuck to format this. How did I... God damn it. JS request, was it? I don't think so. I want to print the packet type so that I can look it up in the L2J project. Okay, so printf byte in hexa. See. I don't recall being %x, but let's give it a try. And request, yes, that's the one. Okay. So rebuild. And go ahead and click this one, and what do we got? 21. Okay. So let's see. Let's see that package. Packet handler. Yes, sir. Do we got a 21? Alright, I think we do. Request bypass to server. Okay. Let's see what we got. Shit, bro. Alright. So for this first iteration, I think I wanna just display another chat window. So when I click on the link, I want another window to pop out. Just to make sure this is working, you know? So apparently... Okay, so I have to listen for the packet 21, and then I just need to read the string, and that's it. Is that it, bruv? Well, that seems to be it. I mean... Okay, let's give it a try. Hopefully that's it. do we want to handle this on the AI? Sure, why not? For the time being, we will do so, and then we will make it properly, I guess? I don't know. So let's go ahead and print yet another message. So I'm gonna say, what should I say? What should I say? Hey, yeah, bruv. Yeah, I think that's a proper message for testing. Yeah, let's see if that works. The joy of testing, bro. Alright. And will you look at that? Well, that was kinda easy. I was hoping to have to debug this quite a bit, but seems to be working just fine. Alright. Let's see, how long is can the string be? I don't think so we got the command, and this is just an infinite string appear apparently. Alright. Let's say that where did I got the packets? Client packets. Alright, so I'm gonna say struct JS packet bypass request. I'm not sure why they call it bypass, but I guess that's fine. And then I think I have to expect. I'm gonna skip this song because it's getting annoying. Oh, thank good Lord. Oh, hey, Cornus. Nice little dragon I see there. Okay, so Cornus says 8 kilobyte limit. Sure, why not? We can blame him later. So I'm gonna say command. Do we want to call it command? Yeah, why not? And then do we got the kilobyte macro? We don't. We don't. What a fucking peasant. Alright. Define kbay. And then I'm gonna say x. And this is gonna be times. There we go. Alright, and we're gonna say 8 kilobytes. And then we're gonna add a cheeky little note here. Blame Cornus if this is not the right limit. There we go. Nice. Thank you, man. You just contributed to the project. Alright, so 8 kilobytes on this bad boy. Sounds good. Oh, what the fuck? Alright, well, seems the comment seems to broke when I add the add. What the fuck? Okay. Yeah. First pull request through the stream. That's a new one. Alright. Apparently, if we pass more, the client will crash. There we go, nice. Well, That's a nice note, actually. Alright, so we got this one, and then we... You know what? Well, but I'm gonna have to write 8 kilobytes of bypass command. I mean, and you know what? For that, we can use lorem ipsum generator. Let's go ahead. Let's try to crash this out. Good old bytes. There we go. What do we wanna? We want 81. Yes. So this one should be fine, right? Holy shit. Okay. Can we make this to be in just one line or something like that? Like, okay. Well, so uh, this should be a valid bypass message. All right. So, okay. Let's see. Uh, so is the I'm assuming it's the entire thing, right? Oh, you meant the HTML. Okay. But I think on the bypass packet, I think the only thing that we get is this little thing. Oh, okay, okay. So let's make sure this is the yeah. Let's make sure that we're getting that on the package first, and then we can fucking crash the client. So JS packet bypass request in back bypass request. Is it? Yeah. And then destination and package source. Alright. And then just client. And then pretty much the same. And oh, okay, we got all right. Um, do you want this? Yeah. We're gonna say oh yes, I think I saw something about that here. Yeah. All right. Yeah. You're right. You were right. Okay. Um. So hey, Bleeman. Today I'm working on the links. So notice how we got this message, and then if I click on this one, we got a new message. I don't think the Chronicle one has the community ward. I think it's something that got introduced on the Chronicle 3, but I may be wrong. I may be wrong. Um, you know what? Maybe we can put this. Well, Yeah, yeah, why not? And this one then it's not wrong. This is not correct. That should be on the server side. Server packet, and then HTML. Oh, oh, will you look at that? What do we got? 8 kilobytes. Yeah, there we go. Okay. But instead of hard coding that, I'm gonna say cafe 8. There we go. That's the same, but prettier. I don't think they work like a browser. I think it's pretty limited on the things that you can do here. I think you can display a few textures, links, tables, uh, some formatting, and I think that's pretty much it. And okay, so this comment is going to be body. And yes, I'm gonna have to cast this down to this. Lovely. Right. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So now AI. Let's go ahead and say JS AI handle bypass request. All right, and struct is character. Very nice, very nice. Okay, and now I gotta use the struct, which is JS JS. Did I fucking fucking forget the bypass request? Okay, and then we say come back. The destination bypass request, and the source is going to be the request. Very nice. And now what I want to do is just print the text. Like so, and I'm gonna use L2 string to char destination command. The source is gonna be bypass request command, and then size of command. There we go, and now some log message. Normal? Yeah, there we go. Command is, and then command. There we go, simple. Alright. Build. Let's see what it got. Nice. What is that? What is that? Is it NPC 42 support play? Yeah. So we're missing the R. What just happened, bruv? We're missing characters, bruv. That's not good. I'm not sure about this, but I'm not sure about this, so expect errors. One more time. Oh, oh, easy. Yeah, yeah. I kinda dropped the brain on that one. Not gonna lie, it happens. So what do we got? Just links. Yeah. Time to crash the client. Yeah. So let's go ahead and what is this? So I'm gonna go ahead and what is this? Okay. So when we open up the first window, we won't do anything, but then on the second one, the shit is going to hit the fan. So let's go ahead and copy this bad boy and paste. Holy shit. Okay. Well, um, yeah, we'll have to do some formatting first. Very nice. All in the name of science. We just want to crash some clients, man. Okay, almost there. There we go. Okay, so we got, I think that should break the client. Hey, no, yes, it should be possible and it should be better, but for the time being, we're just testing the functionality. Alright. And then I think since I got the limit, um, message size of, yeah, I got the limit in here, so it's not gonna break. Um, I gotta update the the struct. Alright, so we're gonna say we can send up to 8 kilobytes, and that should break the client. Let's see. Alright, here we go. So, the first one should be good, and then if I click this, there we go. Success. There we go. We went far, boys. We went too far. And now I'm gonna so let's go ahead and send the very maximum. So how much do we got in here? So we got 8,000 characters, which I think we can assume each character is 1 byte, since we don't got any emojis or anything like that, we should be fine. So, uh, I'm gonna skip this song because it's not good, man. Alright. Let's see. Mhm. And then what do we got on the here? Alright. Let's try sending the very maximum. I think I have to delete up to this far here. Okay, what do we got so far? Whoops. Too much. Let's add something like this, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna have to copy and paste. Alright, what about now? Almost there. Okay, what about now? Too much. Too much. Or is it? Two more bytes. Um, there we go. Perfect. Perfect. Alright. That shouldn't break the client. We're sending the exact amount. No. No. I think I have to send like that, right? Because of the zero. Alright. Yeah, that's the correct one. Alright. Let's go ahead and try that again. See what we got. Okay, I got that, and now um so what happened there? Did I got scanned? Did I? I mean, let's try with a bit less. Alright, what about now? Okay. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Let's go ahead and remove this. Let's see. Yep. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 8,000. Alright. And let's get rid of this. Okay. 7,000. Alright. Let's try that one. See what we got. Isn't this fun? Right, so we got a bunch of Bettys. The name is wrong again. That's that's fine. And um, we're getting fucking scammed, bro. Um, let's try 7,000, shall we? This is not looking good, boys. This is not looking good. Alright, what about now? Nope. What about now? Nope. Alright, 6,000. Let's see what we got there. Or maybe it's not. I don't think that's the case, but maybe it's not even saving the changes. You know? I'm gonna have to say that's the case. Um, let's go ahead and restart the game server, just to be sure. Yeah, let's see a shorter one. Okay. We're getting scammed. Um, let's try 1,000. Let's see. All right. How much do we got in here? 3,000. Okay, let's give it a try. 3,000 seems reasonable. Okay, go. All right, there we go. 3 kilobytes. No problemo. Maybe it's 4 kilobytes, like the limit. Should we try that? Let's go ahead and try 4 kilobytes. Let's see what happens. All right. What about now? Nope, too much. What about now? Nope, too much. What about now? Yeah, that's fine. Alright, build. Yeah, I mean, it's, oh well. Will you look at that? Seems like 4 to me. Okay, guys. This is the... This is bed time. I'm betting this is 4 kilobytes. I don't know about you, but it seems to be 4 kilobytes. Can we gamble? Do we get any gamble? Gamble ban and ban clear goal? Slow subscribers. BIP. Okay, we don't... I don't think we can gamble in the chat, but I think it's 4 kilobytes. Let's go ahead and try that one real quick. I'm gonna say something. How much do we get? Okay, so I went a bit too far. Okay, -1. Alright, so this one should work. Okay. Close that one. Let's go. Magic. Okay. Works. Now if I add a single character, it should now crash the client. Alright. Are you guys prepared? Let's see. Fuck. Who the fuck said 4 kilobytes was the limit, bro? Alright, that seems... What about 5 kilobytes? So that's the new limit. What if I... Okay, let's try with another character. Let's see. I don't think it's gonna crash, but... Okay. I'm getting scammed, bro. Alright, so the limit is 4 kilobytes. There has to be string command to repeat one character X times. Oh yeah, sure, probably, but I like to do this manually, you know. So the limit then is 4 kilobytes. Alright, and we can confirm on stream it was 4 kilobytes. I got scammed big time. Chat was wrong all the time. There we go. Nice. Alright, so we got some links going on. Solid stuff. So 4 kilobytes. Then okay, so this should prevent any uh, um, although I don't know, I think the message doesn't display at all if you don't pass a valid message. So it won't crash the client, but you won't get any message. We can actually test that out. Let's see. Yes, that's correct. All right, what have we got? So now I shouldn't get anything. Okay, well, did I build? I think I didn't build. Shut up. It's not my mistake. It's the client. What? Am I getting scammed by the macros now? Why does it says... Oh no, that... Okay, that's wrong. That's fine. This is the correct one. But I think I have to do -1? Uh... And what do we got here? L2 string to char. From char. And I'm gonna um, yeah, I'm gonna say dest equals 0 and crap. I don't like using this syntax in here, but I think it's gonna be clear in this case, so fuck it. Like so, and then I don't have to do that, and this is going to be like that. And you may be wondering, what the fuck are you doing? So, the way... Good night, Cornus. So the way L2 strings work, as far as I know, is each character uses 2 bytes. The first one is the actual letter or the character, and the second one is, I don't know. So that's why I'm using 0. And then I add this as the null terminator. So this one should work. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure about the L2 strings, but since it works, you know. Okay. And what do we got? What did I... Okay. So now we got the -1. Lovely. So now we shouldn't crash. We shouldn't. Okay. Let's see what do we got. Okay. So yeah. I'm not gonna What did I do wrong? What did I... Oh, big... yeah. Yep. Well, um, we could do this. Um, like so, right? Like that. That should work. Yeah, kinda. Alright, so now... There we go. Okay, so now we don't crash, but since we're not sending valid HTML, we don't show anything. Nice. Very nice. Very nice indeed. So now this one should work. Let's make sure that's the case. Is it? Am I sending? I may have to go for some tea. Alright, so we got that, and we got the crash. The auto select of the last character played in the screen feature added. I'm not sure what. I don't recall any auto select feature, so maybe that's something that got added later. To be honest, I just played to Chronicle 4 and Interlude. I don't know how to pronounce it, or well, Chronicle 6. I just played until those Chronicles. After that, I don't know, man. With the inclusion of the camel, um, L2 string from character. -1. But, well, no, I shouldn't have to use -1 here. I don't want to use -1 there. It was a thing in Interlude. I think the character selection screen remained the same for Interlude as well. Should I? Yeah, I don't like this. This function is not very good. Hmm. Well, I think I'm gonna add a to-do for this one. I don't wanna waste too much time on this right now. Alright. Build, login, agree. Okay. Does it work? No. Did I broke it? Did I broke it? Hmm. There was a thing in intro. You have to click on the character before you hit start now. Maybe. You know what? Let's yeah, I don't wanna waste too much time on this. Let's same. There we go. Whoa. What did I? Hmm. Did I fucking broke it? Okay. What if I? What if I do 4 kilobytes minus 1? Will that work? I mean, I'm not sure why it's failing now. Mm. If it breaks now, I'm gonna restart the game server. Okay. It's so good to be right. Um, I'm gonna have to refactor this L2 string. I really don't like it. Not at all. Da-da-da-da-da-dee. Okay. Well, I know the first one works, so it has to be something about the size, but I'm not sure why it's... Hmm. I'm not really sure why I'm... Let's see what we get. No, not even then. There. Did I mess up the HTML body HTML? Let's make sure the HTML is correct first. Yeah, it is. Well, for some reason then I can't send this many bytes. Well, who cares? I'm not gonna spend that much time. I'm gonna say it works, even though it breaks if you send more than 3 kilobytes of data. Okay. Well, and then I'm not sure what the some um I don't know if I want to fix the string issue. I think I'm gonna wait for for me to copy the quote unquote library that I've been working on the past few days on the laptop. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Any chance it's the active field in structure select? Um Client char select. You mean this one? Do we have a char select here? Active. Oh, you know, I was thinking about what's this field about. So you mean, hang on, you mean in the official server, if you don't select any of the characters, I mean, if you go ahead and select the first one, and then you restart, and then you come back to this screen, you don't have to click any characters, you can just go ahead and click start, and it will log in for the first character, for the last character you play with? Is that it? If that's the case, I I didn't know that was a thing. Alright. You know what? Maybe we can give that a try. I mean, let's see what happens. Whoa, what the fuck? Okay. For some reason I lost the characters, that's fine. Holy shit, okay. Ah, my goodness. I think I'm gonna, yeah, you know what? Let's go ahead and revert the changes. And then here, no, that's fine. Okay. Rebuild. Let's see what we got. Okay. Create something. All right. So, I. All right. So if I log in, and then since I don't. Okay, what happens if I click? Nothing. Okay. Do I get? Whoa. Okay. So do I get anything from here? I shouldn't because. Okay. Now what I'm gonna say is. Um. I'm gonna say. Just request. And show me the tick. No, that's not it. Here. So alt request, character selection. I think this is the one. No, this is not it. This one. Alt request. Handle alt request. I think so I'm setting all of the characters to be active. Um, active and what do we? Okay, and then we pack this. Come on, show me the pack. Well, JS server packet. And do we use the active? Yes, we do. Alright, active. Okay, let's make sure we just mark active as um, the first one. So if I is equal to 0, the first one, that's gonna be the active character. Go back. Start. Can handle packet from selection state. Well, what do you mean? Well, just for good measure, let's restart the game server. And then go. let's see. Um, the name of the character is active, and then do that, and character name, and character active. Let's make sure we are setting this properly. JS character, name char. Oh, I gotta use this one. There we go. Just to make sure I'm setting this correctly. And then go back. Log in again. And what do we got? Yeah, so A is marked as active and the rest are not. And then start, but nothing happens. I'm not even getting the packet, but let me double check. Because maybe I am. So this is odd request. And then we jump to the character selection state. Sure, yeah. Yeah, I wasn't aware that that was a thing. I mean, I always selected the character to play with, so maybe I can find more on the L2J project. Um, how was the L2 on, was it? Login, game server. Is this one? ID? No, no, this is not. JS. Let me check. This one. Last used. So, okay, let's double check. So we append the name, the ID, the login name, the session ID, clan ID, but I don't have any, so we don't care. Race, sex, and race. Okay. Class active? Question mark. Oh, and I am setting this one properly, so and yeah, active the coordinates, that's fine. HP, MP, SP, XP, level karma, and then we got a bunch of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, 9. And then all of this crap. Yeah, it seems like I'm sending that. Do you remember if this feature was working on L2J? Login name. Bytes. Oh, maybe it's cutting the name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't think the name is 6. Just types. Name. How many? Yeah, no, it's not. It's not it. Okay. Well, but at least we got the messages and the links. What if we don't pass the H parameter? JS, where was it? JS AI, what if we don't send the H thing here? Alright, and then if I click here, well, nothing really. Well, I don't know, but we got links working, so I'm happy. I'm happy. Migrations, name, yeah. I don't know why the name is being cut off, but we got buttons, so that's fine. And now we're in health. Alright guys, I don't know what else could I work on. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna go and drink some tea. And maybe tomorrow I'm gonna stream again because it's been a while since I did. I'm getting lazy. But yeah. We're getting closer to having something useful here. I don't wanna test the public server yet until we got something fun to do. Otherwise, it's gonna be a bunch of guys just walking around. we don't we don't we don't without having anything to do. That's not gonna be too much fun. So I'm thinking about implementing some quests. You know, maybe some bosses, and then we can open up the public. We can make the server public for a few hours and then see how it goes. I'm interested to see if we can handle, I don't know, at least 10 players. If we can handle 10 players, I'm gonna be happy. The the active thing, yeah. Well, no worries, man. Let's go ahead and comment the changes though. I'm gonna add it to do here, to do remove. This is just for debug. Um, this is for testing. And we can put this bypass. There we go, client packet. Yes sir, request. I think we can leave this out for the time being. Serve packet. I'm gonna leave this at 4 kilobytes and then I'm gonna double check. I'm gonna leave the note though. There we go. Util. Yeah. What the fuck is that formatting? Oh, that's fine. Oh, maybe this is the one that's fucking things around, you know? God damn it. Yeah. Alright, yeah. I'm gonna have to remove that and remove this and this. Okay. Build. Restart. Create. Oh, constant stuff. Pop. Pop. Hey. Will you look at that? Now it seems to work. GitHub access. But the active ID after the character info is the value we want. Active ID. Let's see. This server packets. We got 2 actives here. Let's see. Active. This one has been marked as one as well. Handle selected character. Nice. Let's see. Well, you know what? I got the L2J project right here, so activating after character info. Okay. HP, delete time, class. Active. Okay, I'm gonna check this one. Same. And this is what chronicle is it? Active. ID. -1. Mm, yeah, I mean, I don't. Okay, so we got the active from previously, and then. Uh-huh. Let's see. This is just server packet. Oh, what is this? What is this? Enchant effect. Yeah, I think that's the one. All right. All right. Active. Active equals um yeah. Let's put this back on, and then I'm gonna say character auto select equals 1. Is auto select, and then we do that, and let's see. Maybe it now works. Restart, relog in, and I'm gonna say auto select the if it's the first character. All right, build. Fingers crossed. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, seems like you were right. I never did I think yeah, success. Yep. All right, well, let's add some credits here. Um, Bleeman, thanks for noticing this value. The character will be auto-selected in the character screen. All right. I think I saw this feature. Did I? I think I was so used to it that I didn't even notice. Do you know what I mean? Um, okay, let's go ahead and try. All right, let's go ahead and make sure. Let's select the last character. Let's see if it works. Okay. Well, seems to be seems to be a thing. I think I didn't notice. Is it? Let me check on the L2J project. Outragast? No. This one? Yes. Glade. Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah. So it was also implemented on the L2J. All right, and apparently it's a C3 feature. I don't know. All right. Well, We got 2 features this night. Pretty cool. Alright, let's comment this up as well. So what do we got? Bypass, yes. Alright. So implement links, bypass. Yes, and then we got that. Yes, sir. We got that. This one too. All right, and then implement auto select. Thanks, Lean. Oh, I should have mentioned. Well, it's in the comments. All right. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let's see. Let's go to the project. All right. Collecting some stars. And is everything here? Yes, it is. Nice. Well, all right. Now I think I'm gonna call it a day. Thank you, Bleeman. I'm gonna leave you guys with the link to the project if you would like to contribute, download, play with it, whatever. That's the one. If you want to try it, you got the releases right here. It's as easy as downloading the zip file, executing the login server, game server, and that's pretty much it. You should be able to log in, create the account creation is automatically, but after the account is created, you have to um, use the correct password, meaning the password that you use to create the account. Otherwise, you will get disconnected. But yeah, it should be working just fine. And I'm also gonna leave you the link for the Discord. I don't know if this link is still good. I think it is. If you'd like to join as well. And I guess I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I do have to think about what I'm going to be working on, so if you got any suggestions, please let me know. But in the meantime, do take good care. Alright guys, I'm gonna see you tomorrow.